According to the American College of Sports Medicine, there are 5 health-related components to fitness: cardiovascular endurance, body composition, muscular strength, muscular endurance, and flexibility. Building strength through length requires a combination of 2 components: muscular strength and flexibility. When you multiply these 2 components together, you get mobility. Mobility can be defined as the ability to express strength through a full range of motion with control. When your muscles are strengthened through a full range of motion, your body begins to move freely without struggle or pain. Now let's take it to the gym so I can show you exactly how to build strength through length in the safest way possible. Okay, so the first exercise we're going to cover is the table rock, which is an excellent way to open up your chest, shoulders, and hips through a full range of motion. The great thing about this exercise is that you don't need any equipment to do it. Once you can do the table rock through a full range of motion, it's time to move on to the next exercise. One of the best exercises that you can do to increase your shoulder extension strength and mobility is the tricep dip. To perform the tricep dip, keep your chest tall as you lower down into the bottom position. Then use your chest, shoulders, and triceps to push yourself back to the top.